2 years in jail for just one TikTok video. TikToker named Lina Mukherjee from Indonesia was found guilty of inciting hatred against religious individuals and groups due to a video where she said an Islamic phrase before eating pork. Lina, who identified as Muslim, uttered the word Bismillah, an Arabic phrase that means "in the name of God," before eating crispy pork skin while in Bali, a Hindu-majority region in Indonesia. Unfortunately, this video led her to her arrest and a significant fine. She also faces an extension of a jail term if the fine isn't paid. This incident sheds light on the controversial blasphemy laws in some countries and the challenges faced by content creators. After the judge sentenced her to punishment, she appeared on a local TV and mentioned she knew that it was her fault, but she did not expect such a severe punishment. Let's use this as an opportunity for an open dialogue and understanding across cultures and beliefs. So what are your thoughts on these 2 years imprisonment? Leave your thoughts at the comment section below.